Good morning. So today we're gonna go over to a river on the north coast of Oregon. It has summer steelhead and spring chinook. We're gonna take our Raft big bird out and see what we can't do. Now my friend James coming along with us, and then my brother-in-law Rylan. So should be fun. Yeah, let's get it going. Rear down. Jump the rope. Perfect.
Alright, I'm gonna pull out part.
Yeah, just pull out of it. Alright.
Nice ramp.
Alright, first hole of the morning. Got eggs and a bead on here. Just seeing what we can't do. I don't think that was a fish. Looked kind of weird. Might go a little less deep. All right, well, Rylan's hooked up with a nice trout on the jig. Decent little guy. Where's the net at? Do we have it?
Here.
Here. Yeah. Nice, Rylan. That's a nice looking trout. That's a big one. Yep, bring him this way. Little probably sea run cutthroat. There we go. Nice, Rylan.
Got him.
If you want to let him go. Oh, maybe I should just throw my jig through there. Oh, whoops. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. I'm a little deep for that spot. Move down to like 2 feet.
Well, got the skunk off, guys.
Oh, that was quick.
It was pretty funny. I don't think I did that before. So like we're floating the LC and it's like March, so it's still really cold. And we're like doing our thing, we're doing our float fishing, and I lose a bobber at one point. And there's this guy that guides out of Sweet Home, and he's got this nice drift boat, like $100,000 or so type of deal. Like there's the Panada ones, they're like the Ferrari of the water. Anyways, so he's got these two guests, and we saw him at the put-in, we kind of beat him to the put-in. And this one guy, he's already drinking fresh out of the truck at like 6 or 7 a.m. Like, I mean,
He was already drunk at like 6 a.m.
And we're like, okay. And he's like cracking jokes and stuff. And
A little more that way, right? Sorry.
Anyways, so we see them in the put-in. I lose my bobber, and we float a little farther down. And this drunk guy is just like continuing to drink. He's got like his crown apple and his like chaser up front stuff. Like he's into the hard stuff now. And they catch up to us, and they give us the bobber that I lost, and they toss it. And when they do, like I go to lean over, and my butt goes to the right of the cooler or whatever, and I just ass over tea kettle fall in the water. Missed the bobber, of course, because I've fallen in. I had my GoPro on my head like Christian has, and you might want to reel that in, Christian.
It's still out there. It looks like it's floating up.
Alright, anyways.
That's it.
And so I lose my GoPro. I'm super wet, and so he had tossed me the bobber once. He caught it again. He like rode up to it, got the bobber,
and your
throws
hat
back to us, hands it back. So we got the bobber. but my camera is still in the LC.
So you got the bobber, but lost the camera.
Yeah.
You could find it again one day, like end up fishing it up.
Maybe.
Maybe someone already did.
I've got my phone number in the camera if it like turns on again, but I don't know that somebody would.
Oh yeah, I
Call
doubt
it
it.
and
I
give
mean,
it to
people
me.
still trail cams now.
Yeah.
Alright, keep back pedaling right. That should be good in there. Back pedal it if you can. Right against that wall should be really good. There we go. Working
How
good
often do
now.
you fall in?
How often do I fall in?
You know, usually once a trip. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Little trout.
Little trout, baby. Net man.
I got the camera on too. Good.
Fighting.
Here, I'll just pull them up. Just keep backpedaling us because I think this is a really good run for that. Fish number 2.
Good job, Christian.
All right, dude. I don't want to hook in my hand, so let's cut it out. All right, keep backpedaling. We're gonna. Got me all excited. I was like,
So have you air fried any trout yet?
No.
I tried air frying it. The usual way I bake it, but you know, the same recipe pretty much. I air fried it instead of baking it. And I have to tell you, if you don't like some of the mushy texture, yeah, it like makes it a little bit more flaky. And I'm pretty happy I tried that out. My son loved it because he never ate trout really before. Like he did a little bit, but now he eats the whole freaking thing.
out. Alright, before this next clip, I was sitting here editing. It'd be kind of random if you just got to the clip and heard me like screaming about the steelhead. Basically what was happening is I was floating in the front of the boat. I was a couple beers deep at this point. I'm just joking with my brother-in-law and my friend James. I'm like, here, I'm gonna catch a big old steelhead on this cast, and I throw my bobber out, and it's like 2 feet from the boat. It kind of just drags under slowly like it hit a rock. I set the hook, and well, you'll see what happens next. I was kidding! I was just making a joke! Dude, I was like, that's 100% a rock. There's no way that's a fish, right? Right, just
We're anchored up.
hold on. Dude, that's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Dude, didn't I just say, watch me catch a big steelhead right here?
Yeah.
That's a big steelhead. The old sand strip. Hold on, right? Hold on.
You want me to get it?
No, I can get it.
Wait. Get him. Get him.
What the hell?
You good.
We got the best net man on the planet here. Is that a hatchery? I can't tell yet. Holy cow, it's a big fish, dude. That is, it's a chrome fish, so that's got to be a summer.
It's
And that's
native.
It's a native?
I think so.
How the? It's like late May. That's like a 15-pound fish. Yeah, it's a native.
That's a good one, Christian.
All right. On the old center pin. Jeez. So it's just a really late winter, I guess. That's crazy. That's like a 15-pound fish, dude. That's probably almost my PB. That is a big steelhead. Second steelhead ever hooked off Big Bird. I'm just sitting here joking. Hold on, James. This guy don't want to give up. That's a... Alright. Hold on, James. Oh, James, get that net out of there. coming up. Get him. James, up, 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 up. Holy cow. Put him in the water. Well, we
Put him back in the water?
here, just hand me the net. Just hand me the net. That is my PB.
Good job, Chris.
That's the biggest steelhead I've ever caught.
He's huge.
That's a toad.
He's bigger than the net.
Ryan, can we get over the bank?
Yeah, we can try. You could walk over there.
Is that my bobber? Yeah, well, I can't. Just get over onto the...
We'll have to give up this hole. You okay with that?
Well, I don't even
It's
think...
really shallow right here. You can step off right here.
Well, I mean, if we could get, like... That's the biggest steelhead. I just want to take a picture with it, and I don't want to...
Okay, get out right here. It's
Well, I don't think I... Dude, there's a shelf right there. We need to get over a little bit.
Alright, I'll get you. I got you.
How is that a freaking native fish? That's crazy. We'll keep him in the water for now. That's pretty cool. That's the biggest steelhead I've ever caught. We'll keep him down there. He's in a good net. And there's a free bobber over there, right?
Yep.
And we could walk back up and fish that hole a little more. My goodness, what a fish. What a stud fish, dude. Battle marks on her. Thank you, baby. Oh, that's my PB. Look at that. You can barely get your freaking hand around the tail.
Got it.
Got it. Give her a breath. All right, baby. Yeah, she's gonna swim off. She just needs a second. Should be good.
Man, she's huge. She's beautiful.
Just get some good fish. All right, well, I'm on fish number 2 in a really crappy spot. Come up here, come up here. Come up here. Just another wild steelhead. James is up there like judging me or something. There's a couple wild steelheads sitting in there. I'm so mad I wasn't recording that. This one's a dink, but it is a steelhead. All right, you got the net. I think this one's actually a hatchery. This is a winter for sure. Old winter hatchery fish. Not gonna keep this fish because it's old, but
Alright.
we'll take some pictures. And I think the nightmare jig is what they want.
So.
Yeah, that's an old hatchery fish.
Yeah, it's a hatchery.
Yeah, I'm not gonna keep him. He's too old.
He's what?
Too old.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, you want to take... That one was sitting right down there past that rock. Just a little dinky guy. I think this is a little in, but... Oh, geez.
I got pliers I can grab with you.
Well, we've already caught 2 before we even got to... All right, ready?
Got it.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna get a release on this little guy. Thanks for playing, little Steely.
Good job, Christian.
Nice game. Jeez, I'm freaking fishing my old center pin rod and just keep smacking them. Dude, I would like, it didn't even go under. It just like kind of was like bobbing a little bit. And I was just like, oh, I think I'm on a rock, and I set the hook and it started fighting. Watch me catch a third one over there. Ah, I should have got freaking 3 of these, or 2 packs of these. Wow. Well, I can die happy. I've already caught 2 steelhead. James, do you want to switch up to the jig? I think we got some more jigs.
Yeah, we got more jigs.
Although I don't know if I have any more good bobbers for them, but.
What?
So I don't know if I have any more good bobbers for them, but.
Oh, you need to switch out the bobber?
Yeah, that's a.
Caught that one bobber, it might work.
Oh, that would work, yeah. Yeah, see, right, he was right off, see how that, he was just right off that rock there. Just like that. And I let it go down through there. There's a couple sitting in there for some reason. Alright, guys. Doing a little bit of jig fishing. This hole looks really good. Just nice and soft water. A little bit of current on top. Should be some sort of fish sitting in there. Might be a steelhead, might be a big old salmon. Hopefully it's a big old salmon, that's what we need. That'll be good to eat. Rye's got the old jig bead and row setup going there. Me off so bad. Oh, ooh, oh, trout. Thought that was a freaking steelhead at first. Oh, it might be a tiny one. No, big old sea rod.
You on the net?
Yeah, I got him. I was actually recording that bobber down. Look at that big old guy. Fortunately, I got him right to the eye. Sorry, bud. Yeah, that's a sea rod cutty. Gosh dang it, dude. Sorry. Try to get him back in as quick as possible. You guys got bait on your freaking jigs, right? Go a little deeper. I'm about 4 feet there. That's where I got that guy. Come on, somebody. I like to hang out right on that edge. There you go, James. Perfect. I knew I should have got 2 sand shrimp boxes. Already pretty much out.
That's good. We have smelly shrimp too.
Yeah. We got a giant trout on the old spinner. Big old rainbow. Oh, this is a cutthroat still. Oh, that's a sea run. Yeah. I was just pitching it up under that tree up there. I thought that was a steelhead for a second. Nice trout. See you later, buddy. I gotta put a spinner on that other rod back there. That freaking trout smashed it.
Definitely like that eagle claw rod you got there. It's got some.
Alright. Where's the bike heading at? Ugh. Make sure to throw around that spinner a bunch while I'm going too. Ooh, what was that? Just that. All right, we'll throw one cast. Just make sure you guys don't miss anything.